Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Domestic Violence Lawyer in St. Louis's website page. We have made this audio version of this website page to help you protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with domestic violence in the state of Missouri, we can help you. Don't face the state and court system alone during your domestic violence charge. Contact one of our criminal defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all domestic violence cases with care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, no matter what crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's talk about being charged with domestic violence in the state of Missouri. Domestic Violence Defense Attorney in St. Louis, defending your future. At Combs Waterkotte, we understand that while many St. Louis families are happy and get along well with each other, there are many others that are going through tough times. Domestic disputes and incidents have generated substantial media attention over the years, which has led to states increasing the penalties against those convicted of domestic assaults. As a leading domestic violence and criminal defense firm in St. Louis, Combs Waterkotte will protect your rights and interests and fight for your day in court. Every domestic violence case in St. Louis, Missouri, is different. It is a sad fact of life that many relationships in St. Louis deteriorate over time, and one or both parties can lash out at each other. Usually in Missouri, one or both parties can take out an order of protection against the other. While these orders can be quite broad, they can be taken out against children as well as adults and last for a minimum of 180 days. In Missouri, they can only be entered against a household or family member, or any accused abuser that has been in an intimate relationship with the person requesting the order, according to Missouri Revised Statute Section 455.010. Stalking is an exception to this requirement. Most protection orders generally prohibit contact between the respondent, the term in Missouri for those who have had an order of protection taken out against them, and the alleged victim. This includes a ban on going to their home, workplace, or school, and a prohibition on contacting the other person in any way. The penalties for violating one of these orders vary from fines to time in jail, or potentially having your bail revoked and sent back into custody. What are Missouri's domestic assault laws? The definitions for domestic assault are largely the same as regular Missouri statutes regarding simple assault. There are 4 degrees of domestic assault in Missouri. First-degree domestic assault, RSMO Section 565.072. First-degree domestic assault is reserved for attempting to kill, knowingly causing, or attempting to cause serious physical injury to a domestic victim. The base penalty for this is a Class B felony, 5 to 15 years in prison. But if serious physical injury is inflicted, the charge can be upgraded to a Class A felony, 10 to 30 years, or potentially life imprisonment. Second-degree domestic assault, RSMO Section 565.073. Second-degree domestic assault occurs when someone knowingly causes physical injury to a domestic victim with a deadly weapon, dangerous instrument, or by choking or strangulation. Recklessly causes serious physical injury